we're at Mushroom Rock State Park. It's about 20 miles west of Salina, Kansas. Last part of it, you have to come in on a dirt road, and it's very small. I think the whole park is only like 5 acres, but it's supposed to have some very unique rock formations from I think they called it Dakota sandstone. But we're gonna just have a little look around. It's a cloudy day. It looks like there's only like 2 picnic areas, but it's clean and it's so quiet out here. But look at the size of that rock and just the unique striations within the rock layers. And we're gonna walk on back this way. And I think there's a trail over on that side. It looks like there's a little bridge over there. As you can see, there's some interesting rocks, including that one right there. And I would assume this is why it's called Mushroom Rock. And it looks like people have done some carving in this one. And why people do that, I don't have a clue. But let me back up so we can get a better view of it. And there's Nancy standing next to it. You see it's pretty good size mushroom. And the way these form is the layer that's down below is soft, and the layer that's up on top is hard. And the soft layer is what erodes away to form the mushroom. Well, we're just going to walk back up this way. There's some more rocks there, and I don't know if you could tell, but it's sprinkling a little bit. And again, I hate it when people deface rocks. Like, it's so important to put their initials on it, and I don't know what that is there, but someone's left that. So Nancy found out that is a geocache box. Inside, whoops, are little, you can leave a little note, and there's like little rocks and stuff that people have left in there, including someone's upper teeth, it looks like.
I think they're joke teeth.
They might be. But anyhow.
I see a dime down there.
So that's a geocache that somebody left here.
Seashell, cool. A bottle cap, a penny.
So we explored what's on that side of the road. And again, like I said, this is a very small little state park. It's only 5 acres. But I saw this little bridge over on this side. So we're going to go across this and see what's over on this side of the road. Why did the E-steps cross the road?
It was on the other side.
Yeah. So down this little path, we come to this little grove over here, and there's some more. Let's go check them out. And Nancy's response was,
okay.
Oh, cool, she said.
Cool, I said.
Yeah, when she saw it.
That looks like a casket, kind of.
Yeah?
Sort of.
Yeah, that's got a hole in it. Wow, look at the way that... Come around here and see what we've got. Wow, there's a big hole back here in this one. Person could just about crawl in there and sit down. And then, oh, this is a big one here. Look at that. That is a good size rock there. And again, people have carved all over it. But that is pretty cool, and that is pretty big too. So we're getting ready to leave Mushroom Rock State Park. It's a small little park, like I said, 2 little picnic areas and these unusual rock formations. So if you want a nice place to come and just have a little picnic and enjoy some quiet, except for the train whistles, and look at some unusual rock formations out here in the middle of a prairie, this would be the place to come.